Big movies use dramatic text reveals to grab attention. And today, I'll show you how to pull off that same cinematic magic inside CapCut. In this chapter, we'll be creating a cinematic text reveal. If you've ever struggled with making your titles feel epic and professional, this effect solves that problem. By the end, you'll be able to craft smooth, dramatic text animations that look like they belong in a Hollywood trailer or a YouTube intro. Now, let's create a cinematic text reveal effect, perfect for intros and YouTube videos. Start by adding a text layer to your timeline. Then, stretch the text clip to around 6 to 7 seconds. Type your word or phrase. Here I'll just use open. Adjust the font style, color, and size until you're happy. Right-click the text and choose Create Compound Clip. This locks it in, and now the magic begins. Go to Video, Mask, and select Film Strip. Adjust the angle to around plus or minus 70 degrees. Close the gap slightly. And add a gentle feather. Keep it subtle. Only 1 or 2 letters should be visible at a time. Next, move the mask completely off-screen so no text is visible. Now add a position keyframe at this starting point. Move the playhead forward about 1 second. Then drag the mask to the opposite side of the text and add another keyframe. Repeat this process. Move 1 second forward, shift the mask, and keyframe again. Alternate sides until you've created a smooth left-to-right reveal. For the final step, move the playhead one last time and open the mask fully so the entire word is visible. Add your last keyframe. When you play it back, you'll see a cinematic reveal, your text emerging in dramatic fashion. And that's how to create a cinematic text reveal in CapCut. This type of cinematic reveal is often sold as premium templates for hundreds of dollars. But here, you're learning it absolutely free. All I ask is that you smash the like button, subscribe, share this with friends, and tell us what you think in the comments. See you in the next effect.